see. This feels like big.
What is it?
Welcome to Learning League.
Welcome to Learning League.
Welcome to Learning League. It's egg time.
It's egg time. We're gonna see what's in our eggs.
We're gonna do the golden one later.
Okay.
It broke.
Ooh, it's like a little purse.
It broke.
Oh. That's okay.
Broke.
A dice.
I'm 4. And I'm James. James is 11. I'm 11.
Okay. Next.
1. Aww, this is happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. He's gonna go there. Get all the eggs out. Aww.
What is it?
Test.
An elephant.
No.
A mommy.
No.
I don't know. Ooh, that's cute. Hamster. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous, little hamster.
Bombs away! Aw, this little egg is broken.
It's okay.
It's really big. Which Paw Patrol member do you think it is?
I think it's Chase.
No.
I think it's Marshall.
Like this.
I can't remember his name.
Zoom.
Zuma!
Zoom. Let's go! Is there anyone to say?
I don't know. Let's finish opening up the eggs.
Oh, I know a mission. We need to find my 2 friends, Rocky and Chase. So if they're in their same, I think you can start with this one because it feels a little heavy. Please be Chase. Oh, it's not Chase.
What is that one?
I'm Rainbow Dash on the page, and I have glasses because I'm cool. Yeah. And I see through. Sorry, bro. Please, please be Chase. There's no more, ones. It's just a dumb block. So let's try to find your friends. Okay? Okay. There is. We saved the rock.
Yay, Chase!
Where's Rocky?
Okay, what's next?
I think he's in one of the green ones. Please. This person. This feels like a winner. I'm actually James, and I have a Pokeball. Go! That's not a real winner. Just a little pup.
Little puppy. All right, what's next?
Let's I won! Let's get another Pokeball. Oh, this is a good. This feels like a real winner. Go! Pokeball. Whoa.
Wow, that dice went far.
And Popper. Pop. Pop. Hey, I won again. This feels like a real winner. It's small. Gotcha. It's what is that animal?
Sebastian?
No.
Flounder?
No. The one in Pokeball.
Oh, I don't know.
Choke.
All right, what's the next one?
Let's just check out the Pokemons, okay? This feels like a real winner. Go!
Oh, it's a little Ryan.
I'm not a real lion. I need to see a Pokemon. This feels like a real winner.
It's another Ryan.
Jinx, you want me to say Let's see. This feels like a big.
What is it? Marshall!
It's not a real winner.
I love Marshall. What do we have next?
Cha!
Was there nothing in that one?
It's empty.
It's empty.
We need to find the thing.
Well, first let's finish the eggs, okay?
Okay. Go, Pokeball!
Whoa.
Another Gyarados.
Number 5.
It's just a
Is that it?
Gyarados.
Is there more?
Gyarados. There's 2 more.
Okay.
It's just a Gyarados. Go! Pokeball! Editable.
Kitty cat.
Last Pokeball. Go!
Whoa, what is it?
We found all of this stuff in our eggs.
All right, we will see you guys. We'll see you guys next time.